everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a skincare video. I'll be sharing a nice face pack remedy. So first we are starting with the rice powder or chickpea, then we have some curd, some lemon juice and some turmeric or haldi. Then we also have some saffron kesar and we have some honey. So first taking the rice powder and chickpea flour, I'm adding some curd into it and mixing it nicely. Then I'm adding in some lemon juice to it. I'm ensuring that no seeds go inside the thing, but even if some seeds go inside, there's no harm. I don't think so. So I'm again mixing all of it, and now I'm taking some turmeric and adding it. So I suggest using turmeric, the raw turmeric, and not the powder. You can also go ahead with the powder. It's okay if you use the powder, but try using raw turmeric if you can find it, because that's better for your skin. Because we don't know that if any chemicals or and any stuff like that is added in the powder or not. So raw things are definitely better. And now I'm just adding some honey so that my skin will be nice and moisturized, and I'm just mixing all of it in. Okay, mixing is really important so that you don't face any problems when you apply it on your face. Now I'm adding it in some saffron or kesar, and then you have to leave it on for like 10 minutes. You have to leave the saffron to soak till 10 minutes, and then it'll give you a better effect, like rather than just putting it and straight applying it. You just wait until that time. You can just tie your hair. Now after 10 minutes I'm just applying the mixture, and you'll see I'm applying it in a very odd way. Like I'm applying it in a weird way, and that's my way. Like I'll apply half of it with my spoon and half of it with my with my hands, with my fingers, and you can apply with anything you like. Have some fun when you apply it. Try making faces, you love it. So I'm doing that, and you can see how I'm applying it with a spoon. I love making faces, symbols, anything. You can enjoy everything in life. Okay, so I'm just doing that, and while applying you might feel a bit of, you might get a feeling of a scrub because it has the rice powder in it. So I'm just applying it, and how fast I'm applying it, can you see that? And let's talk about the ingredients, you guys. So here the ingredients that we have are turmeric, honey, and curd and everything. So you see, the turmeric will help you lighten acne scars or something. It will help you brighten the skin. And you see I'm applying the lip balm also, because let's pamper our lips a little bit. And then we have the curd that will be and we have honey which will moisturize our skin, and many other things. Here you see I'm just watching my favorite TV show. You can also do that. And now you see my face is almost dry. Like, don't keep this pack for more than 15 to 20 minutes, because it might harm your skin. Like, it might cause wrinkles. And now it's time to wash it. So first make sure you have opened all your accessories, but my watch is waterproof, so there's no issues. And now while you're taking off all the things, try scrubbing it, so it's gonna give you a better effect. You see I'm just washing it, and I'm taking off all of it that was there on my neck, and I'm just taking a towel, and half of it I'm just wetting half of it and taking off the other things, and I just pat dried my face. After that I'm using some toner and some lip balm. After that I'm applying an eye cream. My eye cream is from M Caffeine, and then I'll be using an essence. My essence is really watery, so I just take 2 to 3 drops of it, and you guys know the drill. So And now the last step is to moisturize your face. So I'm using my First Essentials Day Cream. I'm just applying it, um, you know, just like that, and you just see how glowy my skin looks. This is a really nice face pack to brighten your face. And yeah, I hope you find this helpful. So bye guys, and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.